My name's Toby Thomas, and we farm. I manage a farm, 1,200 acres, down at Penola in the southeast of South Australia. We breed predominantly fat lambs. We decided to get sheep cover for our sheep yards for the reason of looking after stock, not only in the summer but in the winter as well. Trying to be as stress-free as possible with our fat lambs, and also for people working in the environments that we have to down here. We found Spanlift to be great to deal with, very efficient and very accommodating in what we needed going forward. The way we were able to communicate together made things much easier for me. The build, there was a lot of communication between the office and myself, so I always knew what was coming up. We were able to get the build happening before the winter really set in down here in the southeast, which was important for me. I believe it was about 4 to 5 days. The shed was built on the ground. Then a couple of days break, the cranes came in and it was lifted and up within a couple of hours after that. And everybody that I was able to deal with, made a very pleasant experience. I personally would recommend Spanlift to anyone with their sheep yard cover or whatever it may be, sheds in any way. I just found it to be a very good process with good negotiation also with several things, and that's how I found it to be. For me personally, I wanted a project that I could sit down with Janelle or Alan or whoever it may be and come up with the design we wanted to for our sheep cover, and for it to be as stress-free as possible. Alan doing up all the drawings and so on, and then they took care of the council approval and all of those situations, so I didn't have to worry about any of that. It was from go to way. Once we decided on the price, a very reasonable price, everything was taken care of, even up to the concreting of the pylons, and that for me was what I was after for the project, and what we got was a great product. I appreciate that.